This is the East Idaho weather hazard briefing for Friday, May 17th. So key points to go over today is looking at very windy conditions today with high wind warnings in effect for the upper and lower Snake Plain. We have wind advisories in effect for the Magic Valley and also for portions of the mountains and highlands as well. Wind advisory is possible for Sunday across portions of the Snake Plain. So looking at our satellite image this morning, you see mainly clear skies over the area. We've got quite a bit of dry air. You see in the last few frames there a little bit of some clouds trying to move in from Washington. That's basically along the cold front that's going to be moving through the region today. Our weather risk outlook, looking at moderate hazards from the high winds across the Snake Plain and into the Magic Valley, and also windy conditions today across much of the rest of the area. And then once again highlighting the potential for another wind advisory again on Sunday. So looking at the current watches, warnings, advisories in effect, we've got the high wind warning there in the brighter shade of brown for the Snake Plain area, and then the beige color, the lighter beige color you see there is where we have regular wind advisories with gusts to 45 miles per hour possible, and the high wind warning gusts to 58 miles per hour are possible in that area. So just looking at our wind gusts, peak wind gusts for this morning. We do expect our winds to increase pretty significantly, pretty drastically this morning. Probably about 9-10 o'clock, you're going to really start noticing those winds starting to ramp up. And then the peak gusts are going to occur during the afternoon hours today. You see a lot of areas flirting very close to 60 miles per hour in the Snake Plain. And then our wind gusts this evening is still continuing. We're probably not going to see the winds really die down until probably about 9 or 10 o'clock this evening. And then looking at the wind gusts overnight, pretty much going down to virtually very, very light winds tonight. Blowing dust is a problem potentially for this afternoon, especially along Highway 15, the especially prone areas where there's been a lot of plowing going on and the crops haven't quite come up yet. We could see some blowing dust areas significantly reducing the visibilities. So this is looking at our high temperature forecast today, and with that cold front coming through, our temperatures are about 10 degrees cooler than what we saw yesterday. It is going to be somewhat breezy again Saturday afternoon, probably not hitting wind advisory levels, but certainly some gusts up to about 35 miles per hour across the upper Snake Plain. High temperatures on Saturday recover a little bit, still generally sitting somewhere around 70 degrees for the Magic Valley and Snake Plain. Sunday, you see once again we're floating near wind advisory levels with winds, peak wind gusts somewhere 40 to 45 miles per hour across portions of the Magic Valley and also into the Snake Plain as well. And then looking at our high temperatures Sunday, temperatures are going to be noticeably cooler, closer to about 60 degrees, as we have yet another cold front that's going to be coming into the area. And most of the time we're going to be staying pretty dry for Friday and Saturday, but Sunday we do have a little bit of a chance of some isolated to scattered showers, mainly across the highlands and the mountains. Best chances are up towards Island Park. Once again, not looking for a whole lot of rain with this system through the weekend. That's going to be the best chance in the next 2 or 3 days. So just to summarize, very windy conditions for today, and a little bit breezy on Saturday, but stronger winds possible again Sunday, but not nearly as strong as what we are expecting today. That concludes this morning's briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Thanks.